Did you just inherit a bunch of money or get some other financial windfall? Here's the legal steps I want you to take. My name is Philip Roos. I am the estate planning director at Stone Arch Law Office. We're a law firm in Minneapolis, Minnesota that works with families who have inherited money, come into some sort of windfall, and we help make sure that these things are addressed correctly. We do it pretty regularly. The first thing I want you to do is take a breath. I want you to slow down. Don't start spending money right away. I'd like you to contact a financial professional. We are not a financial advisory company, but we have many good contacts. And I want you to work with a financial professional to decide, where is this money going? Where should it be invested? How should it be growing? And I want to make sure that we're balancing out needs versus wants versus spending. It's very, very easy, regardless of the dollar amount, to blow through a real opportunity very quickly. Sometimes these are life-changing dollar amounts, and being able to make sure we get the most bang out of that is very important. So number one, slow down, speak with a professional, and get a plan in place. Number two, more on our end of things, I want to make sure that you're updating your beneficiary designations on all of your accounts. This could be a substantial amount of money. It could be, a large inheritance. It could be a lottery winning sometimes when you think about this stuff. Either way, this money is sitting someplace, and we want to have a very clear plan for where this goes if something happens to you. We need to protect your family. So do they just get cash? Depending on how much it is, do we want to make sure this is managed for them? For example, if I have a 17-year-old child, I don't want that person getting $100,000 when they turn 18. That can actually be very harmful for them, let alone $1 million. So there are strategies we can do where we can actually make sure that money gets managed. It's called a testamentary trust. The money at death will fund this fund for this person, and it'll make sure that they have money for college, healthcare, and they'll get it eventually. You can choose an age. It'll be managed until you're 25 or 30, or half when you're 25, and the other half stays until you're 35 years old. Limitless possibilities on how you plan this. It's actually a very cool process. And it's also a very good to make sure you're protecting a beneficiary from themselves. And lastly, if you haven't already done so, your estate plan is more than beneficiary designations. You want to make sure you actually have your documents in place, your will, your trust. Don't forget about your own estate plan. If you received assets from someone else's plan, and you can see how valuable that is, and you can continue to give that gift to future generations. Again, I'm Philip Roos at Stone Arch Law Office. Book a call at stonearchlaw.com or call our office directly and book a call 612-444-5555.